Now, if I told you there's one skill that can instantly make every painting work better, would you believe me? Now, it's not fancy brush techniques or expensive supplies, but before I give that away, I am inviting you to my free workshop called Create Artwork You Love Without Copying Tutorials. It is happening in just a few days and I really didn't want you to miss out. So the link's in the description box to join and to save your seat. So what is this mystery skill that is going to instantly improve and up-level your artwork? It's values. Now, your values are simply the balance of light and dark in your painting, and if they're off, pretty much nothing else is really going to save it. I said it. But when they're right, your painting will really, it will have so much depth and it will read beautifully, no matter what colors you add or choose on top of the values. Now, watch how I block in this painting using just 3 values. No details, no fuss, just the big shapes of light and dark. Now, this is the exact step most beginners will skip, and it's why they feel like their work might be just missing something that they can't quite put their finger on. But values is really just one of the 5 core skills I teach in my Paint Anything process, which is really a recipe for a great painting. It's the same framework that has helped artists just like Melanie and Susanna go from unsure beginner artists to confident painters in just a few weeks. And I'm going to be sharing all of the 5 skills in my free live art workshop in just a few days. So you can finally start to paint anything you want with that feeling of confidence. So make sure to save your spot with the link below in the description box. And please make sure you do register because it is a private workshop. It's just for those registered to keep it nice, small and contained so I can give you the full support. And once you save your spot, I will email you the links and the workbook, which you can also print off. And yeah, I'm just so excited for you to really experience this shift. It will really change the way you see your artwork and approach your artwork. So I'm excited. So yeah, I'll see you in the workshop.